this is about initiative buying, right? So I got some buyers over here, I got some buyers over here, and I wanted to see some more buyers in the next few bars, right? This is what we call an IB, initiative buying. And I know, okay, the net of this bar, okay, has to be a lot of green. But what I also do is, in terms of a process, I like to see demand above the high of this bar. And if I see demand above the high of the bar, I'll enter into a trade with a stop loss of lows of the bar with a small filter. Now, this 23070.95 is not absolute. It's just a number which was printed as a reference, okay, for the bar. Somebody, okay, bought or sold over here, and that's why, okay, a trade happened, and that's why this number got printed. But I got to, okay, know, okay, how to play around this number, and I add a small filter, say about 14 or 15 points for the Nifty, say about 35 or 40 points for the Bank Nifty, and try to utilize this as a zone of trade, not as a line. There are no lines in the market, right? Just follow, okay, the rhythm of the market. Just follow, okay, what nature does in the market. There are no straight lines in nature also, right? So in the same way, okay, in markets also, there are nothing called a straight line, okay, and the market, okay, will touch that line and bounce, and all those concepts are redundant, okay.